Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the React and the Supabase. Today we are going to learn about how to create the CRUD operations using the React and the Supabase. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So first of all, we are going to create the tables. So here we go with the tables. So let's copy this SQL, go to our SQL editor, paste this, run. To do table is created. Let's go our database. So tables to dos is there. Okay, so let's go to the table editor. So here you can see that we have a logs symbol over here. Let's attach the policies over here. View policies. Okay, so don't touch it. Let's create a new policy, and let's go with the select and all, and save this. Save policy. Enable all read access for the users. Done. Let's go to our demo. So here we go with our demo. Okay, so currently here you can see in our table to do's there is nothing, right? So let's add the first task, task 1. Let's add the task. Okay, and let's see the task 1 is added. Move to the task 2. So here you can see that the task 2 is added. Task 2 is added and the completed is false, right? So let's update the task. So if I go to edit this task, so edit the task later and update this one, and here we go with this one, the task to later. Okay, if I want to make it check completed to task, so mark it completed, and here you can see that true is there. Okay, if I want to delete this task, just press delete and it's deleted, and from here it is also deleted. Okay, so this is full-fledged CRUD operation using the Supabase with React. Let's dive into the code level. Okay, so first of all, we have to install the Supabase. Now we have to create the file, that is supabase client.js. Okay, so let's create this file. So here we go with our file, Supabase client, where it is. Let's scroll down. Here we go with this one, so which require the Supabase URL, Supabase key, and export that one. So how to get the Supabase URL and the key? So go to our Supabase, and here we go with project settings, go with API, go to your project URL and the anon key, just copy and paste it. Next, what we have to do is we have to create the source app.js file, which is the main file. Okay, so here we go with this one. So let's, so here we have a React use state use effect from the React Supabase client. We have to be import this one. So these are the default states, that is to do, new task, edit and the edit task. Okay, so first of all we are going to fetch the to do's. If anything in the database is already there, so it will run. Okay, then this is fetch to do. So basically select the data from the Supabase from the to do's table. Okay, and then set into the state of the to do's, right? Then add to do. So how to do the add to do? With the help of the supabase dot from to do's. This is a table name, then insert, then select. If you just leave that with the insert, so not, don't expect that you are returning the data. If you do the select, then it will return the data. Okay, whatever you have inserted. Okay, then set that to do, and set the new task to be empty. Okay, because that input field should be empty. Okay, next we have a update to do. So basically updating the to do. So update task completed dot equivalent, so where id should be. Okay, and if something goes wrong, error, updating the to do, else set that one to be null, reset the edit mode, and then call the fetch to do's. Okay, then we have a delete one. So Supabase from which table to do's and delete equivalent to the ID. If something goes wrong, then error, deleting the to do and return. Then fetch the to do's. Okay. Next we have a rendering part. So first of all we have a input and the set new task event dot target dot value. Placeholder is this one. So when I click on the add task, so add to do function will call. Okay. Next, this is the listing that to do's dot map. So when I click on the checkboxes, then update to do will come into the role and it will mark the task to be completed. Okay, so this is that one. Then if the edit ID is there, when I click on the edit, Okay, so if I go over here and click on the edit, what will happen? Input text will come into the role. Okay, and then set edit task, whatever the data that we have, so it will set it over here. Then the button with update to do will come. So what we will send? We will send the id, edit task, and the to do completed. Okay, so then update, when click on the update, then it will update that one. Okay, and there is a cancel also if you want to not updating the task, okay, or the to do. After that, here you can see that the to do task button with the edit. Okay, by default, if we have rendering, so by default should be a edit button. When I click on the edit, it will change to the update and the cancel. Okay, and here the last one, that is delete one, and then export default app. So here you can see that when I click on edit, the button changes to update and cancel. When I do the cancel, automatically it revert back. Okay, so this is the full-fledged Supabase CRUD with React. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.